Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mad Over Making. My name is Piyush Bansal and we are going to cover the job opportunities available in the teleperformance for the freshers as well as for the experienced. Male and female both can apply for the job. There is no fees, no exam to apply for the job available in the teleperformance, and any graduate candidate can apply for these kind of jobs. So these are the basic or the most important criteria. If you are eligible or fit for that criteria, then you can go with the video further. So we are going to cover these many things in the video about the job, location and salary, eligibility criteria, interview questions, and last how to apply for the job. So these are the things that we are going to cover in this video. So we are going to start with the video about the job. They are hiring for the international chat process, and there are also hirings available for the international voice process and the other process as well. I will provide you the link of all those processes in the description, but we are going to cover the more detailed form of international chat process because the salary and many things are higher in this job as compared to others. So that's why I picked the international chat process only. 5 days working will be there, 2 days rotational off will be there, and the experience that they required is 0 to 5 years. It means the freshers as well as experienced are covered under this job. The location and salary. Location will be the various different locations are available for the different kind of job, but especially for this job Mumbai is the location that is available. And if we are talking about the salary part, then 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum will be your salary. It depends on the experience that you have. If you are the fresher, there might a chance that you get the salary something around the 2 lakh 50,000 or 2 lakh 20,000. If you are experienced, then you can get a salary up to a 3 lakh. So it depends on various things. It depends on the interview. So the range is 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum, and there is additional benefits, as we can say the shift allowances, because as the process is US process, so there might be a chance that you have to go with the night shift. So the special allowances will be provided for the night shift employees. Next, we are going to talk about eligibility criteria. Any graduate candidate can apply for this job. You must be having a 1 year VPO experience, that is mandatory that they have written, but they have also written the 0 to 5 year experience, so the freshers can also apply for this job. Next, good communication skills. As the process is chat, so you must be having a good written communication skill. Next, owned internet connection mandatory, because this job is work from home, so you must be having an own internet connection. There might be a chance that they provide some kind of allowances for the internet, but that is not written or that is not being told by the company. System will be provided. The system from which you will be working, that will be provided, but the internet connection will be arranged by the you only. Next thing is, what are the selections round that is being conducted for these kind of job? These kind of job, it means the chat process, voice process. These kind of job generally have the 3 rounds of interview: HR round, operational round, and the versant round, or we can say the technical round. So what these rounds says and what are the questions that is being asked under these rounds. So first, HR related interview questions will be asked, like tell me something about yourself. Why do you want to join this organization? Are you okay with the job location? Are you comfortable with the night shift, because you have to face the night shift as the process is US. So these kind of questions will be asked, and these are the very basic questions, that is HR related questions. Next, we are going to talk about the operational interview questions. These are something related to your job, and these are more specific towards your job, towards your work. What was your previous job role? If you are an experienced person, then this can be the question that you can face. How does the BPO process work? You should have a knowledge about the how the BPO process work. Why should we choose you for the customer support role? And there might be a chance that you having a mock call. If you are applying for the call process, then they can arrange a mock call with you, and if you are following a chat process, then there might be a criteria that they evaluate you on the other parameters. Next round is the versant round, where they will check more about your communication skills in the English specifically, because the process is international. Test your English speaking, listening and writing skill. Speak about a topic that is given to you. Listen an audio clip. English grammar questions for the fluency in the communication. So these are the questions that just check your communication skills in the English specifically. Last, we are going to see how to apply for this job and where to apply for this job. This is the very important questions, because many of the time we have seen the consultancies play a role, and they ask for the, when they ask and they demand for some charges from the candidates. So here it is not the case. You need not to pay any amount for this kind of job. So now I am going to show you the portal from where you can apply for Teleperformance job opportunities. It is being updated over the naukri.com platform. So that is a very recognized form, that is a very recognized platform where they are not asking for any kind of amount, any kind of rupee. So here you can see the urgent hiring for the international chat process, that is compulsory a work from home job. Okay, so that's a very good opportunities, the work from home opportunities. So the pay is also good according to the work from home opportunities, right? So this job is very recently posted 2 days ago. This is the very good time for which you can apply for this job. The job description that I have already covered, eligibility criteria, these are the things that I have already covered. Now the thing comes how to apply for this job. There is one more important thing. Here the HR contact details are mentioned. So if you have if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can contact with these two person. Now how you can apply for this job, just click on login to apply if you are a registered user. If you are not a registered user, then just registered with the naukri.com platform. Once you registered with the naukri.com platform, they will ask you with the various limited details. So you need to fill those details, like upload your resume and updated that resume, and just click on the apply now options. Once you click on the apply now, your application will be submitted with the Teleperformance. They will review your application, and once your resume got shortlisted, they will get back to you regarding the further process. So I hope you get all the information related to the Teleperformance, how to apply, where to apply, and how to prepare for the job. If you still have any query in your mind, you can ask me in the comment section. So feel free to ask me any query related to this job or the other job. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this video.